Today we are making something interesting and healthy. So today I am making roasted oats laddu. So you can take it as a breakfast or as a energy bites. Anything is fine in your daily diet. If you include it, it will give the best results. So let's get started without any late. So today I have all the ingredients with me. Let us start with our brown sugar. This is the dark brown sugar, which is very low calorie as compared to the light brown sugar and the white sugar. I have some roasted oats. It's a plain oats. Any oats you can take. Instead of these oats, you can also take the rolled oats. And I have some dried blueberries. It will give the nice flavor and very good taste in this laddu. And I have some plain raisins. I have pieced walnuts and a pinch of sugar, and this oil, plain oil, which is smellless. So this oil gives you the perfect binding. Let's get started. There is no cooking, no baking. We don't need nothing. Just add the complete brown sugar. Let's mix all together. Let's add some oil. Around 1.5 teaspoon is enough, not more than that. It will give us a perfect binding. Combine all together until we get dough-like texture. So freeze them until they are set around 1 hour. So you can store them up to 1 week in refrigerator. So you can take another energy bites. Thank you for watching. See you with the next video.